Smokey and his purple pig. If you've owned a Dalmatian for any length of time, you have probably gone through countless dog toys trying to find something they can bond with, without destroying it. For Smokey, it's his purple pig. It has far and away outlasted other toys, and the ones that he has damaged have been easily replaced. Smokey has had a purple pig since he was a puppy and has a special bond with the toy. It's the first toy he brings me to play with when he gets out of his crate in the morning, and is one of the toys he sleeps with in his crate.
Purple pig.
If we say, purple pig, Smokey knows exactly which toy we are talking about and that it means playtime.
Purple pig. There you go, buddy. There.
Smokey loves his purple pig.
Yeah, we're playing with purple. We got the purple pig. We got the purple pig. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good job, buddy. Good job.